YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon, but I'm pretty sure it is. My affiliate link will be down below. You guys can check them out. All you gotta do is click the link. It is safe. It goes to Amazon. And if it's a website, I'll leave their website link also. So, Prime Day is just upon us. They got Prime Day sales going on now. So definitely check them out. Thank you guys for sending me this mystery box. Not sure what it is. Almost there. Oh boy, here we go. Oh baby. This is actually a Kickstarter, so I'm sorry about that. This is coming from PISEN. Whoa, that's pretty trippy. 140 watt all-in-one charger. Save space for your hobby. Alright. Wireless charging. Tricolor ring and lamp. Whoa. Here we go. Time to test this thing out. Well, they'll probably be on Amazon soon once they are released, but right now, Kickstarter. Here we go. How I open this? Tape right there. There we go. Whoa. Has like a diagram. Wireless charging face case. Charging module for iWatch. Power line. Sharpener. Interface panel. Socket. And there we go. All-in-one charger. 140 watt. Oh baby. Here we go, guys. Oh, tiny little dude. Ooh, has some weight to it. Oh, man. Good lordy. That thick cable. Look how thick that is. Impressive. So I take it you could have it waterproof. Not sure. Definitely take a look. Look at this thing. It's a brick. Got all the USBs there. Charging. Whoa. I think that's for the watch. Alright. There's another socket. Time to plug this thing in. Definitely curious. Oh, we got some USB cables. Oh, nice cord. Fancy dancy. Got a QR code on that. Oh boy. There we go. Nice size. Extra long. And now PISEN. But yeah, I think 100% sure this is a Kickstarter for right now. And then they'll have it released pretty soon, I do believe. So here we go. Okay, we are plugged in. What is that? USB there too also. Okay, we got everything. Oh, we got green light. Does that mean it's on? Get you ready to charge up things. Alright. We are golden. I gotta find something. A shredder. Not shredder from Turtles, but shredder. Put this thing in right here. Boom. Ah. Green light. Bam. Look at that. Plugged in shredder. Alright. So we know the sockets work. Disconnect that right now. And then phone charge would be kind of hard to do because I am charging it. And then got the USBs. So this is really cool. So 140 watts, ultra. Got the non-slip guards. And you got a hook right there, so you can hook something to it. Be good for people on a construction site. Pretty much anything. Outdoors, indoors. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.